media, there'll be a picture of this bike in here. This is the original OG KZ900-A4. Last year, the Kickstart 4-cylinder 4-in-1. It is the epitome of the Mad Max era. This was owned by one of our mechanics that used to work here, and he was going to restore it. He was riding it. He rebuilt the carbs. It's rideable. It's a very good core bike. I'd ride this bad boy cross country myself. These are bulletproof, these 1000s. It could use some restoration work. It's missing the ignition, has a toggle switch instead of the ignition. Probably could use some rear brake work. The carbs could be dialed in a little bit better, but the bones are all there, and we know these things are skyrocketing in value. So if you're looking for a good core bike to do a restoration on, your ship just came in. We sold one of these with a seized motor and a huge hole in the header at auction that bought $5 grand. We had another one that it was at a nicer paint job and everything, but we had another one, a 73 Z1, that just had the engine cases, a frame, and some other parts, and it sold for $5G also. So they're definitely going up in value. We just sold the 73 at auction last month. It's on our completed listings on our eBay store. Check that out. Sold for $28,500. So there's a lot of room for some sweat equity, and it's getting hard to come by these classic Zs. A lot of them are getting shipped back to Japan. So if you're thinking of buying one, you know, well, your ship just came in. This one's a good core bike. The original tank needs a paint job, but it's his original factory Kawasaki tank. It's not in a China clone. It's got the original tailpiece on here. These wheels are the original wheel set, original forks. No evidence of this thing being smashed or crashed. It just needs a little bit of love and a minor restoration, or keep it the way it is. And a lot of the guys that work in the shop are like, man, I just ride it the way it is. It looks badass. And everywhere you go, this thing makes a statement. You know, it's this is no fuel injected, wimpy little modern bike. This is a hardcore. This thing's straight up badass, and it'll burn rubber all the way up the street. There's a lot of life left in this motor. It's only got 28,000 miles on it. Stay golden, pony boy. Tell the toe cutter I said hello.